I'm Alex Life, and you're watching a small demo of the GraalVM dashboard tool. It's a visualization tool offering insight into what is compiled into the executables built with the GraalVM Native Image. It offers a few components showing the code size breakdown, the summary of the compiled code, classes and methods included in the binary, the heap size breakdown, which shows the summary of the data included in the binary, and the points to exploration widget, which shows the reasons why a particular class or method was compiled and included in the result. Let's see that in action. I will show it on a demo on a small application that is part of the GraalVM demos repository. If you want to follow that, you can clone the repository from the GitHub and then just follow this particular example. We're going to go into the multi-threading demo. And we're going to go immediately into the folder says that multi-threading oversized. This is a sample application that's a Maven project, and it shows particular components of the native image dashboard. So I can build this using Maven package, and I've done that before. I can just show you what the application is doing. It is a fairly simple application. It just prints some stuff on the command line running a couple of threads. So if I do Maven package, you can see that it will build my application here, and it will also build the native image. Now I have configured this application with the printing out the data for the dashboard tool. Right? So we use the Maven plugin, and we use the dashboard dump for dashboard all, which will output all the diagnostics data for us, and we say that we want into the one particular file. The dashboard itself, of course, resides on the website, so we can go search on it for the website, and there it is. We will loading the data into the dashboard tool when it's produced by the binary. You can see now that in the target directory, we see the dump file. I can download the dump file and I can upload it into the dashboard tool. So let's select the file which I previously have downloaded. Let's see the downloads and the BGV file. Click OK. Now this application includes a couple of classes, needs to be uploaded, and then what we can see the core code size breakdown. You can see the graph components, and the larger is a particular component, the more space it takes from the native image. So the whole image there is 13 megabytes, and a large chunk of that takes, for example, the com faster XML packages. There are some packages other from the com.oracle and Java util, and you can dive into which classes are there in particular. So for example, we can find our classes from the demo application, which is the demo multi-threading, execute async, and so forth. Right, so some lambdas, some execute sync, and the main method here, demo multi-threading dot main. We can also look at the heap size breakdown, which will tell us which particular components are taking how much space are they taking from the final image heap. To get to the point 2 analysis component, we can use the code size breakdown, and we need to navigate to the final method level And then, for example, we can click on the method and we open the points to analysis. So method multi-threading execute async was included because it was called, and it was called from the main, and the type reason for the inclusion of that is that the multi-threading is allocated, so we can analyze, you can analyze the actual components and call chain up to the very beginning of the program execution. So those two components can help you navigate what's included in the native image build and make decisions. For example, maybe you can optimize the build not to include certain components, and that would result in a smaller executable and faster compile times and faster startup times. For more information on how to use the dashboard, please refer to the website and the documentation. If you have any questions, I see you online. Thank you very much.